Okay, this is a quick demonstration of your Magic Can Lab. I have a empty can, a Fresca, a full can. You can use any aluminum cans. I have some of these skinny, long V8 cans. Got my rubber balloon I've inflated. And the question is, can you make this can roll back and forth by charging the balloon? So rub your balloon on your shirt. I have a kind of fleece material. You could use wool, cotton, fabric. You add some charge to your balloon. The electrons transfer over. Bring the balloon near the can and see if you can get it to move. Hey. Bring it to the other side. See if you can get it to roll without touching. And then see if you can get it to go back and forth and start to ask questions like, how close do I have to be? Maybe reset the can so it's at rest. You can get it going really fast off the table. If you're far away, you may not notice much, but as you get closer and closer, you may start to see a force. Pulling, moving. If it's not much of a force, recharge. So here's my shirt, just friction. Rub for about 5 seconds. Some fabrics work better than others. You can rub some Kleenex, paper towel. Try it with an unopened full can. Can you get the same thing to work? Start to observe. Make sure the table is level so it can rest level. Ask yourself, is it an attractive force or repulsive force acting at a distance? At what distance? And start to see if you can get it to accelerate one way and then change directions to accelerate the other way and to go back and forth. Then once you get the phenomenon captured, once you explore, capture one video and start to explain the answers to the questions.